A compound inequality is just an inequality that has the word and or in it. Anytime you have it written like this, where it's between two numbers and with less than symbols, this means and. So if you separate it into two different ones and solve, you're going to have, you need to have it where they're both true. And here's what it looks like. So the first one, -5 is less than x, goes to the right, and x is less than -1 goes to the left. So you just want between the two. I'm going to also show you a little bit different way to do it. When you have between like this, you actually don't have to write them as two separate. You can, it doesn't hurt, but you can just solve it on both sides at the same time. So we're adding 2. So we're going to add 2 here and add 2 there. You see? So that, why? Let me just undo these. Might be better just to erase, huh? So we're adding 2 here. So this could be -3. 3x is here because that goes to 0. -15. Then when we divide by 3, you're going to divide everything by 3. So you get -1, x, and -5. And if you notice, they're open circles, and it goes from -5 to -1, and x is between there. So I kind of like seeing it that way because it just shows that x is between those two numbers. If it's an or statement, they're going to go in opposite directions. So this is an or statement. So we're going to have open circles, and the lines are going to go in the opposite directions, but we have to solve them first. So we have 4x plus 6 is less than -6, subtract 6, and we get 4x is less than -12, divide by 4, and x is -3. So we're going to have an open circle on -3. Then I'm going to solve the second one. 4x minus 5 is greater than 7, add 5, and you get 12. 4x is greater than 12, divide by 4, x is greater than 3. So then I put an open circle on 3. And because it's or, I'm going to be going in opposite directions. So I'll put a line here, and I'll put one here, and I do not put one in between. So or means in opposite directions. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Okay, again, this is an or statement. So we're going to do each one separately. So 2x minus 5 is less than -7. So I can see this one is going to have an open circle. So 2x is less than -2, divide by 2, x is less than -1. So I put an open circle on -1. Then I'm going to solve the second inequality, 4x minus 6 greater than or equal to 10. I'm going to add 6, get 4x is greater than or equal to 16, divide by 4, x is greater than or equal to 4. So I'm going to have a closed circle on 4, and then my arrows go to either side. I just like having my eraser there so I can see what it looks like. Okay, next one. And we'll just do one more. Yes, we have an and. Okay, this is going to be between. So I'm going to actually switch this up. I put the smallest number here, do my less than or equal to 3x plus 1. Hey, they don't have a between, do they? Okay, never mind. Let's do this different. So we have 2x minus 3 is less than 5. So I'm going to add 3. 2x is less than 8, divide by 2, x is less than 4. So I'm going to have an open circle on 4. And then we'll do the second one, 3x plus 1, greater than or equal to -11. Subtract 1 makes it a -12. Divide by 3 is -4. So I have a closed circle on -4. And because it's greater than -4, it's going to be going this way, and it's less than 4, it's going to be going this way. So it's going to be in the middle, plus it's and. Get that finger out of the way. Okay, so that is what it's going to look like, and that's the end of the lesson.